So make R as the subject. So you move out the thing with R, and actually there's no any more R in this equation except this one, so I can just divide the whole thing with 1 plus b squared, and that's it. And this one we have fractions, only one fraction, only a term here. You can do cross multiplication, then 8b, and then you can move the b out here, and then you can divide 3 for the term. Number 9, a, b, and c. Denominator have a, b, c, so I have to multiply every term by a, b, c, and then we got a, b, c here, divided by a is b, c, times a, b, c divided by b is a, c, times a, b, c divided by c is a, b. So now you need to change b as a subject. So then it will be very easy because there's no fraction. And you can take out a b here. And you can move AC, A minus C. Number 10, the target denominator is CD. This C and D. So this one you need to multiply numerator multiply by D. This one numerator need to multiply by C. Becomes CD. So you expand DC plus D squared minus C squared plus minus CD. So CD and DC are the same thing, can cancel out, but not cancelling with the denominator. You need to like this. And then can it be factorized? Yes, using difference of two square identity, but no use. Number 11, you make x as subject. So this is only one term. This is addition here is a bracket. This x times a numerator a plus l, there's a factor, and divide by 2. So you can move the 2 here. And the right hand side is this. So we want to make x as a subject. So x is subject is 2s divided by a plus l is also okay. No need to expand the thing out. And number 12, you need to simplify a fractions. All things are multiplied. So this is with two terms, you need to bracket it and need to factorize. And b plus 1. This a squared, and all cancelled and become no a. This 3b, and then this a cancelled, no, this 2, this a and this a cancel out. So it will be this. And this b and b cancel out, and it will be this. Okay, 13. Make the RH as the subject. So only this term with h, this one without h. So a minus 2 pi r squared over 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r have to move to the another side of the denominator. And it will be like this. And so part B, you need to find the value of h if a is a0, and then pi is chain 2 over 7, and r is 7. A minus 2 pi r squared over 2 pi r. So 8a0, 7, and then this 7 and 7. You just cancel 1, but not 2. This one you cancel out is 44. 8x0 minus 44 times 7 divided by 44. So 44 times 7 is 308, and then 8x0 minus 308 is 572, and 572 divided by 44 is 1, and then 3, so it's 13. Number 14, connecting x and c only. That means without I. So I have to treat y equal to 3ez over 4, put this 1 into this y. Okay, so x will become 3z over 4 square plus 1. And to simplify it's 9c squared over 16 plus 1. So now the equation have only c and x but no y. And make c as a subject. Make this one as a subject. That means we need to multiply all the thing with 16. And then you move this term out. This one put in left hand side. And move the 9 out of here. And you need to this c square, you need to make c as a subject. That means, and c have to break it in 0. That means I need to take a third. That means I take a root. If you don't know, it's okay. Just have a look. Answer will be like this. And then you can find out c if x is 10. So it's 4 times root 9. Root 9 is 3 square is 9, so root 9 is the reverse of square. So it's 4 times 3 over 3. So the answer is 4. Number 15. Which of it is y as subject? This one is no, because there's y here and there's a 2 here. And also no, and this yes. There's no y here. Make m as subject, okay, bracket. So there's only one denominator, is r minus m. So I need to multiply every term by r minus m. So this one becomes r minus m, this one no denominator, this one becomes s times r minus m. And now I need to change m as the subject. So m appears 2 times, so you should expand all the thing out. And you can move the m here as m minus m, and s r plus p minus r. So you can factorize out and move the x minus 1 into the denominator of right hand side. And there is no m here. Number 17, we need to simplify this thing. B over 2 times a plus b squared minus 1 over 4b minus a. So this a minus b, this a minus b, b minus a. Then to change it, okay, and positive. And this a minus b, a minus b. So you need to multiply a minus b here to both numerator and denominator. And this one you need to multiply by 2. And then now they have the same denominator. You can add them up. 2b minus b is b. And then a plus b. And then the thing is a minus b all squared. And then you don't need to do any cancellation. Number 18. That's also very complicated, it seems. But actually, if you know the first step, then you can tackle it. If you don't know the first step and use your method to cancel out the terms, then you just get back cross from me. So what is the first step for doing things like this? For things with 2 terms in fractions, yes, need to bracket all the things with 2 terms. Second thing, factorization using this is identity. And this is identity m squared minus 2mn plus n squared. So I better write m minus n all squared because this is m minus n. Okay, I can write 2, so and easily for me to do cancellation. Okay, so This is n plus n, this is n plus n, and this 2 of them cancel out. This n minus n, this n minus n, they have 2 of it, also all cancel out. So remaining 4 and a 2. So the final answer is 8. So there are 4 marks question. Everyone one mark here, 1 mark here, and there's 1 mark here. So if you know the tricks, you will get 3 marks. If you don't know the tricks, just cancel, get 0 marks.